Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of PURO Vitality Boost supplement. So it is a online supplement that will help you to drain your estrogen and boost your T levels, and it reduces your mobs, bad blood and feminine body features, and it also supports your lean muscle growth and boosts strength. Pretty much bold claims, right? As you can see, they have rated 4.8 out of 5, but it is only based on their official website. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind this ad. As you can see, this product has a 138% increase in strength. So these are the claims that were based on some research as per their claim. 78% decrease in excess estrogen in the body, and 230% increase in total T levels after just 10 days. So this is a bold claim. So now let's find out what actual reviews of the people say. As you can see on the Trustpilot website, it has a review rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars, which is a great rating because it is based on 116 reviews. So it means that a lot of people have actually purchased this product, so this is a good sign. But people have mixed opinions, and now I started to search for their domain name, as I got to know that their domain name was registered back in 2024. So it's been there for about a year now, so this is also a good signal. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on their mixed reviews and their certainty, I would say, like, you can give it a shot, buy this product, but don't buy in bulk at first. Just give it a shot, purchase one single item, and if it works for you, and you should consult with your doctor first as well, and if it works for you, then you can purchase more as well. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.